In front of me is LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit Accounts and Sync. Now select Google under Preferred Service and click on Google Password Manager. Following that, select any password to edit, enter your login method and hit Edit button. Now you can change whatever you want to, and when you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!